Hi, I'm Sherman Rowland with Highland Park, and I'm going to show you how to replace the relay on your HighTone switch box. It's a very simple job. To bring the camera down here. First thing we're going to do is there's 4 screws that hold the switch box on. My saw is unplugged. That's the first thing you do so you don't get yourself electrocuted. And then you're going to undo these 4 screws. So there's 1, there's 2, and 3 here. And then my 4 screws right down here. And you'll see that we use this black is Permatex Ultra Black, which is a gasket material that you can buy at an AutoZone. We just put it on the threads to reduce any kind of leaking. I tap the box, and now the box is loose, and I'm going to rotate it to the side. If you bring the camera around here, this is a perfect example. This saw didn't work because the relay is sitting in the bottom of the saw. To put the relay in, and this comes from the shipping company being very gentle in shipping your unit. You locate the pins, line it up, push it in, and it's in place. And then you just reverse the process, put your 4 screws back together, and the unit is all good to go.